Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix higher Android TV burning or aging mode. The TV will show only colors. You can see that it's showing red, blue, green, white, black colors and nothing else will work. Subscribe our channel and like the video. I will show you how to fix this. I will show you two methods, viewers. Now the first method is power off TV from the wall socket. Then press and hold the power key on the TV. It should be under or on the sides, and then power it on while pressing the power key on the remote. Don't release it. The TV will power on. You have to wait for some time. Don't release the power key. Just wait and watch. Viewers, this trick will work in some cases, but if this doesn't work, I will show you the second method after this. Comment below which method works for you. Now wait for some time. You are watching that it is again showing the colors. So this method doesn't work in our case. Now I will show you the second method that will work 100%. Now the second method is power off your TV from the remote during this burning process when colors are on the screen. Then power on again from the remote. Then keep pressing keys from your remote. This will permanently fix the burning or aging mode of higher Android TV. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.